Good morning, guys. This is Mentor Henry, right? So this morning let's talk about destiny helpers. You know, a lot of times people pray about destiny helper, but you don't really understand what is destiny helper. You know, a destiny helper is someone that God has assigned to help you, or probably be like a catalyst in your life. But when unfortunately some of us lose our destiny helper because we don't understand that this guy or this lady is your destiny helper. Your destiny helper can be your child, can be your partner, can be your boss, can be anybody, can even be a stranger. But you need discernment to understand who's your destiny helper. Sometimes when your destiny helper comes, some of you keep begging for money, poor mindsets, poverty mindsets, you have greed and stuff like that. How will your destiny helper locate you? But one thing I want to tell you is this: you will never beg your destiny helper to help you, and your destiny helper will never stress to help you. Once your destiny helper sees you, or you see destiny helper, you will know if you have a discerning spirit. Think about it. Take care, guys.